What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to open assets in Premiere Pro. Let's say you downloaded a template or an asset just like this one, this text template, and you want to open it in Premiere. Of course, being an asset means you can change the writing, but the style and the transitions and the like strokes and line, they remain as they are. So I like this template or asset and I want to use it in my Premiere Pro project. So once I downloaded it and extracted it, I see these two files. There's an After Effects project file if I want to use this asset in After Effects, and there is a like mogrt file, a mogrt file, .mogrt. That's the one we want to open in Premiere Pro. So to do so, let's head to Premiere and I'll show you how to open these mogrt files. First, head to Window, then open the Essential Graphics panel. From here, you'll see many templates you can use. I'll click on the plus icon here on the bottom right. And from here, I'll search for the mogrt file that I downloaded. That's here. Okay. Now you can see I can open the file. I can open it right now. Now this template is added to my library here. Now to find it, I just have to confirm the name, so I'll open the file location. It's called Credit 2. They are in the alphabetical order, so I scroll a bit. And here it is, Credit Text 2. If I drag it to my timeline, you can see I can add it here as a layer. It'll load. Here it says that the fonts that are used in the template are missing. I can just go and download these fonts, or it'll revert to the default font. Now, to view them, I'll just open the sequence, and as you can see, it's now on top of my video. So that's how you can add assets and presets in Premiere Pro.